Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use sticky notes in Windows 11 in a very simple way. Come over into your search option and going to search for sticky notes. You can see here is my sticky notes app. Click on that and it will now going to open. I never opened it before, but it's a very important app for who's are like to note everything they read, or they are reading any of PDFs or doing any work. Sticky notes will be very handy and very important app for them. After completing the download updates, you can see there will be option called sign in. So if you click on the sign in, and you can see after clicking on that, here is our sticky notes open. And what you need to do, you can see the sticky note will be over here. You can simply drag down it into any corner of your desktop, and you can simply take a note over here. Like I'm taking a note here that my laptop running well. Maybe the spelling is everything is all right, and then you can change it into bold character if you want. Simply select them, click bold. Also you can make them italic, underlined, like this. Also you can set them with grid. Also you can set them with picture, like I'm choosing this. And yeah, this is where you can use the sticky notes into Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.